try that go?
Yep. Definitely salvageable. Nice long piece.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, because there's a couple layers here.
Yeah, it's a bunch of different layers of stuff.
Yeah. That's rotten. I'm going to have to go back one more.
Yeah. How's that look?
It's looking better now. Starting to get into some solid stuff. They put these little bitty nailers just to nail those on.
Yeah.
And that's just to cover it up, sort of a decorative kind of thing. But now we're into some solid stuff.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. So when we tear apart up there, oh, and that's about where we're at now.
Yeah.
I'm going to do one more, and that should really be solid.
Here, let me see it.
Sort of a half round. But even this, look at this. Even this is looking better now.
This looks older.
Yeah, even this is looking better now.
Yeah.
So
Definitely.
we're starting to get into some decent stuff.
See, our idea is to rip up the roof, fix the roof and some of the structure, but then leave everything from the roof down until summer or spring. And then we're going to jack up the roof that we've repaired, and we're going to rip out all of these pillars and such, and we're going to restore these and then put the roof back down. You have a better view?
Yeah, and the rock is right here. At this point, it begins to be solid again. So, and that's right above that view.
Yeah, it is. It's a good day to do this.
Yeah, it is. This is wet, but it's all there.
True.
And the underside is looking better. Oh, here we go. Look at this. We've got solid. We're getting back into solid beams. Yeah, this is oh, you can. Oh, yeah, and here's the ceiling, the porch ceiling, and we've got a nice solid one right here.
Nice.
Sweet. So what they did...
Oh, there's foam insulation in there.
What they did is...
The nail strip is on top here.
This is nailed to the house, and then they bend this in and it slips into that groove on the side.
Yeah.
Just leave it. Because we're never going to get it back in.
Yeah, we can.
I would have left it. Because then we can just flip it up and do what we need to do. There's plenty of room there.
But we're going to bend it anyway, so.
No, leave that. Leave it. We'll leave it.
Well, it's already out.
Yeah, but trying to get it up and rehooked.
It's already out.
But only that spot.
Fine, whatever. It's all going to come off anyway, so. We need to have all that space to put the flashing up, because all that foam needs to come out, and that drip edge needs to come out.
Well, we can leave the foam.
Just cut the flashing from underneath it?
We'll take this piece out.
The flashing goes underneath the foam.
Alright, I guess it is out. Looks like they cut it here. Alright, if we can get it back in there, if we can't, then...
I plan to redo it anyway. I got 12-foot sections of this stuff.
You do?
Yeah, I have tons of this stuff.
You guys don't have that on your house yet?
No, but I have it on that above the ceiling stuff.
Would you just find some pieces?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I got some from Tony Marcolini. It's brand new. It's beige. It's not white, but we can paint it.
Okay.
Honestly, I kind of want to just put cedar siding on here if I could.
Yeah,
To match the
I
house.
don't disagree with that.
I don't like the plastic siding.
I don't either.
And it's not very much. Depending on the price, we can probably just do it. We can do it for a couple $100 maybe. And we're going to have to be redoing it for the big window I want to put there anyway. So.
Well, and we'll check the prices when we go through the other couple of pieces we need. We'll see.
That wood is looking better. A lot better. And the overhang splice does continue up to here. And there's just a sea of ladybugs in here. Barely even in yet. It's already our first goal. Oh my God, they cut them up here too. No wonder that damn overhang is sagging. You know, I think this house was mislabeled. I think American Bad Craftsmanship would be the right name for this house, not American Craftsman. Just because it was original. How's your thing going?
Pretty good. I'm going to finish this, then I'm going to start back over there taking all denailing.
Okay.
That's all decent wood there. Start soling it up.
Here's that for you.
Yeah, I'll need that.
I think this board nut might need to go.
Oh yeah. Careful.
Whoa. All right, so this is cleaning up very well. You have a lot more done over there than I have. Then again, I did do some of that, so.
Yep.
I'm going to continue going up this way and leaving that little strip there for you to figure out.
You know, in that center section,
It's actually pretty level.
that looks really good. It's just like where the ladder is. From
Yeah.
there over, it's a fuck story.
It's just this.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to have to replace, well, we're just going to replace all this.
Well, yeah, and we're going to need to fix this one, this one, this one, and actually the next one.
But today is just our cleaning day. We're not structural people today. We're just focused on cleaning because otherwise it's too easy to be overwhelmed. And tomorrow, in the next video, we'll work on actually the structure and fixing all this bullshit. that's very good quality. We'll make sure no rain touches that. Now to go work on this section.
Too bad we didn't have a giant tarp to just cover this whole one side.
Yeah, I know.
Then we could just take the entire side off, you know? Like a Fisher-Price hammer.
Okay. And what are you trying to say?
It's small and light.
I like it. It's small and light.
I need a manly man here. That's good.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, that's all been. See, they did this the right way. This is, in fact, here's our example right here. This is what we have to recreate over there.
So that side, they only replaced the overhang, but on this side, it appears they actually replaced all the way over to the overhang, and so the overhang is actually real nice and straight over here, and plus, the angle brackets which support the overhang are more intact on this side, so they're stronger. It appears like that is also cut down the middle originally, so we might have to jack that up a little bit, but because the brackets have not deteriorated too much, they're still in good condition, and it hasn't sagged as much as the south facing side. So tomorrow is the day of fixing the structure.
Yeah, we got to recreate what they did here.
Yep, but it shouldn't be too bad. I'm optimistic. Bill's a bit more concerned about how long it'll take. I think we might be able to do it in a day if we work really hard. At least this part. I guess it's 5 o'clock.
Yeah. I'd be interested to see if we can do some jacking there.
Yeah.
It would be nice if it just went right back up. But we'll see.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. See ya. Yeah, there's Venus up there.
Is it?
Yeah, that's Venus over there. What on earth are you singing? It's a nice sunset. Really nice, in fact.